Good morning, everyone. I was in a hurry last night to let everybody know, but I want you to understand this is a limited edition. Includes a SeaLife Dragon 2000 light, photo, video, light. Okay? What we're talking about is when you buy this bad boy right here, 3.0 SeaLife camera, you get this light and tray along with all these other goodies: charger for the battery charger tray, power cord to charge this bad boy up, connectors, a little device here to keep your battery separate, because when you're not using it, you take the battery out of this and put this on there so it doesn't contact anything. Lubrication. And it's all for the price of this camera. So if you want this whole package, it's a limited edition. Doesn't mean it gets cheaper. It just means when it is gone. In other words, we've sold every one of them. You do not get another opportunity like this. So if you've been on the fence about a new camera, you're looking for that gift for somebody, this is the camera kit to get. Now, here's the cool thing about this. All right. It's got a lot of cool features here. 16 megabytes, flood proof, 4K high definition ready, shoots in RAW imaging, has its own Wi-Fi for transferring pictures and short videos to your device so you can share them. 3 diving modes, 100-degree wide angle. Like I said, that really cool 2000 lumen light with tray. Now, the thing you also got to understand is when you turn this bad boy on, it shoots above water photos like a regular camera does, and then it shoots underwater photos. So you have the options of doing either or. So if you want one of these, or you think you know somebody that wants one of these, come over and get one, because once they're gone, you won't be able to get another one like this. Again, you're only paying for this right here, and you're getting all of this with it. See you soon.